All right, so this is a potentially very short class period, as I'm only here to support your efforts at integrating smart pointers into the fatally flawed doubly linked list program. Pulled off the web. You shouldn't need to make any structural changes to the algorithm in there. Just if you simply convert all the pointers, then all of the memory leaks should go away. I don't think I ran Valgrind with it, did I? Let me try that. Oops. Slack gets complaining about other things as well. So yeah, so once you implement shared and weak pointers in this thing, if you compile it and run it, this thing should come back with nothing lost as far as memory goes. So that's how you can check it for correctness. Any questions? Your hand was up first.
Okay. If we produce the same output as the original program and there are no memory leaks and we have no raw pointers.
And you have no what?
Raw pointers, they're all smart, like shared or weak.
Correct. That's all there is to it. So it wasn't, this is actually when I originally had put this project up for 5.11, I had it as 3.5 between projects 3 and 4, so I called it a mini project, so there really isn't a lot to it. It's just simply to exercise your use of smart pointers. If you're familiar with smart pointers, it's going to go super quick. If you aren't, then hopefully it forces you to the references just enough so that you have some comfort with them and encourage you to start using it in your own code. All right? So that's my objective.
Can you do a dynamic multi-level array with smart pointers?
I'm sure you can. I have not done it. You go right ahead and you show me what it looks like.
I wasn't sure about one of them.
Okay. In a particular.
In the code that you gave us, do you want me to tell you which one?
Give me like the name of a member function maybe, or a function. I guess it's a function.
It was like the insert first function.
Okay. I've got a printout of it right here. Insert first.
The one that has the malloc.
On create a link.
Yeah.
So on mine, what's going on here? Yeah, it wasn't. That's what I did.
And then for like, for choosing which ones should be weak pointers, I was thinking like previous should be, 'cause that's the one you said. And then for the head, the last and the current,
Those at all. I did those as shared
I'll be sure.
because the head.
I was thinking the head should be shared, but I wasn't sure about current and last.
I'd need to look at the implementation. I suppose there's a possibility that you're disconnecting current if you like are removing a link. I'd need to look. I don't recall how the algorithm goes, but I could see a scenario where you roll through the list and then you're at current and you find that's the one you want to remove. So you go ahead and take the pointers on the surrounding and you wire them around it. And so there is a period of time there where it doesn't have anything linking to it. So that would be an argument for making it shared. I'll concede if that isn't the case, then maybe it doesn't need to be shared, other than if you have a rich set of operations with the current. There's quite a bit of use of it. I think it's going to be a huge hassle making it weak, is my prediction.
I made current weak.
And what did you have any issues with doing this kind of stuff?
I had to
Lock it.
lock it a few times, but it wasn't a big deal.
All right. Okay. So either way,
So current can be
weak or shared. I did it as shared. Weak sounds perfectly justifiable. Yeah, so here's the scenario. I think at this point there's no shared pointer pointing to it if you use weak, unless I'm mistaken.
Did you show you did Valkyrie one more time? Run it on the output.
Yep, let's run it on the executable. About to stop this recording. You have any questions for me?
No, I finished.
Finished. Did you run it through Valgrind to confirm there are no memory leaks?
Yes.
All right, I had failed to reset the submission link, so it should be visible now. There in the project folder.
Wasn't too bad. Just figuring out how to use lock and reset.
Right, and then you just kind of go through and find each of the locations. Yeah. So that, I mean, that should be encouraging for using it in your own work, right? It's not too painful. All right, I will stop this recording then.